Hello there. I want to discuss with you the features and benefits of Tribeca Manhattan Basic and Tribeca Heavy Duty tracks. As well as the benefits and features, I will be showing you how to install these tracks. Welcome to Behind the Blinds with Bob. Manhattan tracks are our basic range and are suitable for sheer and lightweight uncoated and coated curtains. Tribeca Heavy Duty tracks are, as they sound, our top-of-the-range track and are strong enough to carry all weights of curtains, including custom-made. Both ranges come in hand-drawn and cord-drawn. As well, they are both extendable, giving you the ability to use these products on a variety of window sizes. Both ranges come as a complete packet, allowing you to take them home and easily install the tracks on your windows on the same day. You will need the following tools to complete the job: a drill, flathead screwdriver, small drill bit, scissors, pencil and a tape measure. All tracks come with everything you need to install on your windows: the extendable track, the end brackets, centre support brackets and the fixings. The first thing you need to do is fix the bracket to the architrave using the screws provided. Mark the position of the bracket and mark the drill holes. It is recommended that you pre-drill the holes into the architraves to make it easier to mount the brackets and avoid splitting the wood. Take the track to the brackets and extend it to fit the space. Then, click the track into the bracket at each end. Hand-drawn tracks have separate left-hand and right-hand brackets in both ranges and need to be installed accordingly. For heavy-duty hand-drawn tracks, drop the track into the heavy-duty bracket. For the Manhattan, hook the bracket onto the end of the Manhattan track. Now we need to add the centre support brackets along the length of the track. This usually means they need to be placed somewhere between 60 centimetres and 80 centimetres apart, depending on the weight of the curtains. Mark the position of the centre support bracket and, using the screws provided, attach to the architrave. For the heavy duty support, clip it over the lip at the top of the track. For the Manhattan, you will need to clip the support right over the front. For the heavy duty track, tighten the cam lock using a flathead screwdriver. Place the head of the screwdriver in the slot provided and turn in the direction needed to tighten it. For hand-drawn tracks, this is the last step and you are now ready to hang your curtains. For a detailed explanation of this process, please refer to the instructions in the pack. For cord-drawn tracks, you now need to centre the master carriers so they will close to the centre and open to the ends correctly. Take the master carriers to the extreme ends of the track and ease the cord through so that it gently tightens. Now, as you pull the cord, it should close to the centre and open to the end correctly. Attach the cord tensioner to the architrave at 160 centimetres above the floor to ensure child safety. Place the tensioner in the correct position and mark. Then attach to the architrave. The cord may now be too long, so you will need to shorten it. Grab the knot behind the larger master carrier and gently ease the cord through. Grab some scissors and cut the cord, but hold onto it so it doesn't go back inside the track. Now, tie 3 knots behind the master carrier and trim off the excess. And your track should work perfectly. The final step is to lock the cords around the master carriers. Take the cord, pull it through and hook it round one lug, round the second lug and then the third. Then pull the cord so it tightens. Now when you hang your curtains, they will not slide along the cord and will always close and open correctly. As a warning, we recommend that tracks never be installed onto plasterboard walls, even if wall anchors are used, because over time the movement of the track will make the wall deteriorate, causing the plugs to fall out and the track to come away from the wall. If you have brick walls, then the tracks can be installed using the correct wall plugs. And it is necessary to install the track above the architrave so that it is level all the way along. Now your track is ready to hang your curtains on and will give you years of great service.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.